Hi there, friends! Welcome to Animal Sound Fun! Today, we're going to learn the sounds of some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look, here's our first animal, a cat. Cats are soft and love to purr. But do you know what sound they make? That's right! Cats say meow. Can you try it? Meow! Meow! Great job! Oh, here comes a dog. Dogs are playful and love to wag their tails. Do you know what sound they make? You got it! Dogs say woof, woof. Let's all bark together, woof! Woof! Fantastic! Wow! Look at this big animal. It's a horse. Horses are strong and love to run. What sound does a horse make? Yes! Horses say neigh. Can you try neighing like a horse? Neigh! Neigh! Amazing! Now here's a sheep. Sheep are fluffy and love to eat grass. Do you know what sound they make? That's it! Sheep say baa, baa. Let's baa together, baa. Baa. You're doing awesome. Last but not least, here's a goat. Goats are curious and love to climb. What sound does a goat make? Great job! Goats say bleat. Bleat. Let's try it, bleat. Bleat. That's perfect. You did such a great job today. Now you know the sounds of a cat, a dog, a horse, a sheep, and a goat. Let's say them all together. Yay! Give yourself a big round of applause. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye for now, friends. See you next time.